Right, so we'll make a start then. In the wok are 2 tablespoons of virgin olive oil, and into it I'm putting 2 chopped up shallots. You can use onions if you want, but shallots I think have a better concentrate of flavour. And to this we add garlic. You can use normal natural garlic, but I use garlic paste. There we are, a good slurp of that. So about 2 minutes or so, just to get it nicely cooked. So after about 2 minutes we have the mushrooms, chopped up mushrooms. So about 5 minutes it takes the mushrooms to get them cooked. Right, so after 4 or 5 minutes, these were quite thick cut with the mushrooms. I'm going to add the chopped tomatoes. Now these are Italian plum tomatoes that I've chopped myself. With the tomatoes I just add a pinch of thyme, that's all we do. Not a lot. There we are, just spread it round. Just a decent pinch of it. Right, we brought it to the boil now, and then we just turn the heat down to a gentle simmer and simmer it for about 15 to 20 minutes. Just simmering gently away. Right, the sauce has simmered now for a good 10 minutes, so I'm going to take it off the heat and put it to one side. Right, now it's time for the fish. So in the pan we put 2 ounces of butter. There we go. It's fresh fish, so it cooks very easily. So here comes the haddock, folks. Right, we're just frying the fish 2 minutes either side. So they're sizzling away nicely there, so just 2 minutes, then I'll turn it over. So this side's done now, so I'm going to turn it. There we are, nice bit of browning there. So another 2 to 3 minutes on this side, and then we're going to add the sauce. I'm now going to add the sauce. And then we just simmer that, turn the heat down. We'll simmer that for 10 minutes. It looks a bit confused, but it'll taste delicious, believe me. And the fish is under there somewhere. There we are, lovely piece of fish, nicely cooked, and a nice tasty sauce to go with it. the meal is ready.